Okay, it's a caw day. Woohoo!
Come on, baby, let the good time roll. Come on, baby, let me thrill your soul. Come on, baby,
And
let the good
out
time
at
roll.
first.
Roll all night long.
Nice
Come
pickup.
on, baby, yes, this is me. This is something I just can't miss. Come on, baby, let the good time roll.
Out at second, safe at first.
Come on, baby, while the thrill is on. Come on, baby, let's
Safe.
have some fun. Come on, baby, let the good time roll. Roll all
Out at
night
second.
long. Come on, baby, just close the door. Come on, baby, let's rock some more. Come on, baby, let the good time roll. Roll
Okay.
all night
Down and
long.
here they go.
Dance.
Everyone's safe. Ooh. And good stop by the Rev. And out at first. Uh-oh. And came in. He's safe. And out at third. Oh, nice stop by Paul. And out at first. Alrighty, the score now is 1-0, top of the second. Paul's Pizza is in the lead. What a catch, nice job. Whoa, that got through. And there goes Paul. Oh, nice stop. And out at second. Oh. And everybody's safe. Boom. Oh, and out at third. Oh, okay, soccer. He made it. John made it. Full count. Okay. Good stop and out.
Out at first, safe at second.
And that is take a walk. Oh,
Nice.
oh boy, that got by them. Here they go. Ay. Here goes John.
John, take your time.
And here comes Paul. He's going to go for it. There they
Take your
go.
time, Paul.
And Ronnie got to second. Ooh.
Nice hit.
Oh boy. And here comes.
It's a third now. Halfway, Ron.
Nice catch.
Go, Ron.
Coming, Ron.
Oh boy, got by. And that's safe.
What's his last name?
Duff. I think it's Duff.
Come on in, Elmo.
Elmo's coming in. Yep.
Gonna drop.
That's
in there, that's in there.
It dropped. And everybody's safe. Oh dear. Fair ball. Oh. Oh, he was safe at second. And that was 5 runs? 5 runs. Okay, top of the third. The score now is 6-0. The Paul's Pizza has that lead. This is Otis up at bat. And it looks like it's getting through, and Otis is making it to first. This is Roberta up at bat, and nice hit by Roberta. Good stop by Kent, and everybody's safe. Okay, this is the Rev is up and out there, and Mike just caught that. Wow, nice hit, nice catch. Okay, Rich is up, and that's some pretty good teamwork. They got him out. Uh-oh. Elmo caught it. And that's the third out. Is John up at bat. Tim Pryor stopped it, and he's going to hold on to the ball. This is Alan, and nice stop by Gary, and he kind of threw it away. Okay. All right, here comes John. Everyone's safe. Kent at bat, and right to the rev, and out at first. Oh boy. Caught it, and batter's out. Me? And he caught it. That's the third out, and that's 2 in a row for Tim. Okay, the score remains 6 to nothing.
Yeah. Fourth inning.
Oh, look at that. We have an ump now. Woohoo!
I just do the best I can. Except when you're doing steroids.
Okay, safe at first.
Let's get some light.
Boom! Out there.
Base coach, no third base coach.
We got the Tims running the bases. Oh, Tim Pryor's going. Look at him go. Look at him go. Woohoo!
Stay there, stay there.
Oh, and out at second. Uh-oh, go. He is out. That was quite a good play. Good job. Oh man, that's a hit. That is a hit. Oh boy, go Paul Duff.
Hold up. Watch second base, watch second. Oh no.
Boom. Safe. Oh boy. Fair ball. Oh boy, here they go. Jake's gonna make it to second. And it looks like Almo's gonna come in. Holy cow. Okay, there we go. And out at first. Okay.
Hey Jake, it wasn't luck. He wants me out.
1 out, 1 on, 2 in.
There you go.
Oh boy, nice stop. And out at second. 2 outs, 2 in. Good stop. And out at second. Oh, safe.
Gary, safe.
Safe.
Coach at third.
The ump called him safe. Good stop. And out at third. Okay, top of the 5th. The score now is 8-1. Paul's is in the lead.
What am I going to do with the ball if I catch it? I know.
There, it got through.
Go Jim.
Go Jim, go Jim, go Jim, go Jim. He made it. Okay, here we go. Oh, what a stop. Oh, we've seen this play, and they did it again. Boom. Oh, wow.
It wasn't above his head. Over his head. Shoulders.
So that's an out.
Is it over his shoulder?
Alan has a runner. It's John, and that's a nice hit, and let's see what happens. It's down, and there goes John. Oh my goodness, he's going to go for 2. Yep. Boom.
You got it. Oh, yeah.
Oh my, and you know what that means? That means he gets a base. Boom. Oh boy. Oh, that was a good idea, but the runner's fast. Ooh, boom. Oh dear. Uh-oh. And everybody is safe. And that is bringing in 1 run and moving them around the bases. Bases loaded, no outs.
Hold up.
And Jack caught that one.
Hold up.
And Tim caught that one. Uh-oh, that got through. That was a good hit. Did a lot of damage, bringing in 1, 2. And Jack didn't catch it and brought in run number 5. Jump, sir.
We have, what do we get? 13-1.
Oh my goodness, and where are we in the game?
Top of the 6th.
Okay. Boom.
Go, Otis. No.
Yeah. Woo! Yay, team! Boom. Fair ball. Fair ball.
Watch what's in front of you.
Uh-oh. Okay. Whoa.
Go.
And it's dropping. Look at them go. Here they go.
Watch. No.
And Otis brought in a run.
Go. You never know.
Good teamwork again on the Paul's Pizza. Out there, and the boys are running. Oh!
Go, Gary.
Gary's coming in.
No. Go home. You weren't distracted.
That's down. Oh my goodness, here they go. The boys are running. Here come the Tims. Woohoo! It's down.
All right.
Wow, we're cooking. Stay up, Jack. Stay up. It's all right.
1 out, 5's on 3. And that ball got through, and in comes run number 5. Woohoo!
I told you, I rallied.
Caw.
Go.
And he made it, and he gets another base.
No, stay. That's it,
Oh
Otis.
boy,
Go.
look at that. Oh, out at second. Nice stop.
Woo, Roberta.
He made it. Boom.
Forgot the ball. Go, Roberta.
Safe.
Woo.
Bases are loaded, 2 outs. And that got out there. It got by them, got out there. It's bringing in 1, 2.
Come on, Jack!
And Alma caught it. Good job. Okay, good. There was a bit of a rally. A little bit of salt and pepper. But the pizza guys won the night. Final score 13-8. It was a bit of a rally anyway.